Welcome to the groundbreaking launch of SpaceX's Falcon Heavy, the most powerful rocket ever built. Join us on this fascinating journey as we delve into the remarkable achievements of this monumental event. In a historic moment for space exploration, SpaceX successfully launched the most powerful rocket ever built, the Falcon Heavy, from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. After facing a minor setback with a scrubbed launch attempt on Wednesday, July 26, the Falcon Heavy was rescheduled for liftoff on Thursday, July 27, from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The mission aimed to deploy the Jupiter 3 satellite, a marvel of engineering by Maxar Technologies for Hughes Network Systems, into geostationary orbit. This groundbreaking achievement not only demonstrates SpaceX's unwavering commitment to space exploration but also propels the company into the forefront of the industry. As the clock ticks down to liftoff, the anticipation builds. Feel the excitement mounting as we prepare for the launch of the Falcon Heavy carrying the Jupiter 3 satellite. The massive rocket stands tall at Kennedy Space Center, poised for an extraordinary mission. Discover the astonishing dimensions of the Jupiter 3 satellite, the largest ever constructed by Maxar Technologies. Its wingspan, when fully deployed, is comparable to that of a commercial airliner. Explore its innovative features and the groundbreaking technology that makes it a game-changer in the world of satellite communication. Following the initial scrubbed launch on Wednesday, SpaceX's dedicated teams at Kennedy Space Center worked tirelessly to address the unknown technical issue that led to the delay. With unwavering determination, they set their sights on Thursday, July 27, for the second launch attempt. This time, weather permitting, SpaceX had an additional treat for space enthusiasts: a back-to-back launch event with a Falcon 9 rocket carrying Starlink internet beaming satellites from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, scheduled to lift off less than an hour before the Falcon Heavy. The Falcon Heavy, developed by SpaceX under the leadership of visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk, has made significant strides since its debut in February 2018. With a staggering 5 million pounds of thrust at liftoff, it stands as the second most powerful rocket in operation, surpassed only by NASA's Space Launch System (SLS), generating approximately 8.8 million pounds of thrust. The Falcon Heavy, known for its impressive triple-core design, spans a remarkable 230 feet in height. As it took to the skies from Launch Complex 39A at Kennedy Space Center, the rocket followed an east-northeast trajectory over the Atlantic Ocean. Following stage separation, the twin-side boosters aimed for an extraordinary double landing attempt at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station's landing zones 1 and 2. During the boosters' return to Earth, simultaneous double sonic booms were expected to resonate throughout the Space Coast and its surrounding areas. However, this record will not hold for long, as SpaceX's cutting-edge Starship vehicle, still in development, is projected to produce an astonishing 16.7 million pounds of thrust, making it the most powerful rocket ever built. The number of engines used on the Super Heavy stage of the Starship rocket directly affects its payload capacity. The more engines a rocket has, the greater the total thrust it can generate. The Super Heavy stage of the Starship rocket is equipped with 33 methane-powered Raptor engines. These engines produce a tremendous amount of thrust, reportedly as high as 16.7 million pounds, 7.5 million kilograms. The high thrust allows the rocket to lift heavier payloads into space. The number of engines affects the efficiency of propellant consumption. With more engines, the propellant can be distributed and burned more evenly, optimizing the rocket's performance. This can result in a higher payload capacity. Adding more engines to the rocket requires careful engineering to ensure structural integrity. The rocket needs to be designed to handle the increased weight and forces exerted by the additional engines. SpaceX has designed the Super Heavy stage to accommodate the 33 Raptor engines, taking into account the necessary structural reinforcements. Overall, the 33 engines on the Super Heavy stage of the Starship rocket contribute to its impressive payload capacity. The exact payload capacity of the Starship rocket will depend on various factors, including the mission profile, desired orbit, and other design considerations. The seventh mission of the Falcon Heavy had the critical task of deploying the massive Jupiter 3 communications satellite into orbit. Manufactured by Hughes Network Systems, Jupiter 3 is a groundbreaking achievement in the field of commercial communications satellites. Weighing a remarkable 10.1 tons, 9.2 metric tons, the satellite's fully deployed wingspan will be comparable to that of a commercial jet. This ambitious mission marks yet another milestone in SpaceX's ever-expanding portfolio of successful launches and demonstrates the rocket's versatility and capacity for heavy payloads. The Jupiter 3 satellite is destined to join a fleet of EchoStar satellites in geostationary orbit, enhancing the delivery of HughesNet internet connectivity to customers across North and South America. One of the notable aspects of this mission was the expendability of the center core booster. Due to the extra performance required for the Jupiter 3 satellite deployment, SpaceX made the strategic decision not to attempt recovery of the center core booster. This highlights the engineering ingenuity and adaptability of SpaceX, as they prioritize the success of their missions while simultaneously exploring new boundaries in space exploration. SpaceX has been at the forefront of revolutionizing space exploration and transportation. The Falcon Heavy's capabilities have allowed it to take on numerous critical missions, including deploying satellites, resupplying the International Space Station (ISS), most notably, sending Elon Musk's red Tesla Roadster into space on its inaugural flight. With each successful mission, SpaceX solidifies its position as a pioneering force in the space industry, making significant advancements towards realizing Elon Musk's grand vision of making space travel accessible and sustainable. SpaceX's journey to developing the Falcon Heavy has not been without its challenges. The company faced setbacks and delays during its development, but their dedication and relentless pursuit of excellence paid off. The successful launch of the Falcon Heavy has not only secured its place as a crucial asset in modern space exploration but has also set the stage for future ambitious missions to destinations beyond Earth's orbit. The launch of the Falcon Heavy marks an incredible milestone in the history of space exploration, cementing SpaceX's position as a leader in the industry. As the most powerful rocket ever built, it opens up new possibilities for delivering heavier payloads and venturing into uncharted territories of space. As we witness the continued progress of space technology, it is clear that humanity is on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, thanks to the relentless pursuit of innovation and ingenuity by companies like SpaceX. The successful launch of the Falcon Heavy, carrying the Jupiter 3 satellite to geostationary orbit, marks an incredible achievement for SpaceX and the world of space exploration. Demonstrating its position as a pioneering force in the industry, SpaceX has proven its ability to overcome challenges, adapt to unforeseen circumstances, and deliver on its promises. As the Falcon Heavy continues to secure its position as the most powerful rocket ever built, SpaceX's ambitious plans for the Starship vehicle loom on the horizon, promising even greater advancements in space exploration. Humanity stands witness to a new era in space travel, where innovation and determination converge to propel us towards a future beyond our wildest dreams. Keep watching our other video on China wants to make its brand new space station even bigger, NASA. And we will see you soon.